When our client visited our factory, one machine caught his attention. Our rotary scrubber, also known as a trommel scrubber or drum washer. See those lifters inside the drum? As the drum rotates, they lift the material and drop it back down. This creates a powerful tumbling action. Now look at the scrubbing process. High-pressure water jets spray from multiple angles. The ore tumbles violently, clay and mud are washed away, while heavy minerals remain. You can see the dirty water carrying away fine clay particles. The longer the retention time, the cleaner the ore. This is how we solve clay problems. Retention time is adjustable from a few minutes to over 10, depending on how much scrubbing your ore needs. Our U.S. client inspected the wear-resistant liners and the robust drive system. They were impressed by the equipment quality. Need a rotary scrubber for your mine? Contact us. We offer custom sizes and complete solutions.